Model 2015 Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL29 Energy dCi 120 business van body, white, panel van mileage, 81,070 engine, 1,598 cc R9M Energy 120 E5 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, full service history, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,250.